Here's a video that's going to make all of you want to get a penguin as a pet.
It's happening in Japan. Meet Lala, a 10-year-old king penguin who used to call the Antarctic home. Lala lives here with the Nishimoto family. And this king penguin is really living like a king. He's got his own room complete with a powerful air conditioner and free run of the property. But Lala isn't your average couch penguin. He likes to travel. That's when the Nishimotos help pack him up for a trip into town. When Lala hits the road, his favorite destination is no surprise. Where else? The fish store.
Sardines and mackerel are his favorite. He loves to eat them. He is adorable.
Adorable, yes, and deserving of a doggy bag for the trip home. Lala grew up in the cold Antarctic and now lives in a city known for its heat and humidity. As he heads home, he seems to pause at this soda machine, then moves on, possibly realizing he left his change in his other suit. No problem, just head into a neighbor's yard for a quick hose down. Ah, refreshing. Then back on the road. Once home, Lala gets his knapsack unpacked, checks out his room, and at the end of a long day, spends a little quality time with the rest of the family.